Hey guys, welcome back to the cave. Dennis here. So today, well, I was gonna film. I bought a welder and a cart. I was gonna film putting the cart together. Nobody wanted to watch that. That was. It's a cheap Harbor Freight welding cart, and yeah. Anyway, it's all together. Now I'm gonna unbox. I bought an Eastwood 135 MIG. 110 unit. So we're gonna get this thing unboxed and set up, and hopefully some other stuff done. But I figured I'd show you guys what we picked up. I couldn't not beat this thing. It was online, and I called the store. They had it for the same price. It was $229. I could beat that for a brand new welder. So yeah, let's get unboxing this thing. Alrighty. We get our instructions. Probably a good thing to read those. Cardboard packaging. We have our hose, trigger, gun. Actually, this out right away, and we'll go ahead and put this right on the side of the cart. That's what that's for. Okay, more cardboard, more silica gel. Regulator. Eastwood stuff seems to be really nice. Whoever in China is making their stuff seems to make it nice. I do have to get a bottle of it, so I won't be able to actually use this today, but I will be able to put this actually on the cart, so that will be a plus. Okay, so this is what we got. We got a 135 MIG here. Let me straighten these hoses out just a little bit. I don't want that dragging on the ground. But yeah, as you can see, got a nice 135 MIG. I've never MIG welded, but then again, I never TIG welded, and I haven't mastered either, so, or TIG welding. I still have to work on this here, but okay. But yeah, so I mean, it's a nice looking machine for, like I said, for the money. Can't beat it. The only thing is, I can see right away there's an issue with this door opening. It's gonna hit the lip, but well, here, let me show you this. So Eastwood wanted $173 for a cart. So of course I went to good old Harbor Freight and took a look, and they had one for $44. And I'll be honest with you, I don't really know what the difference is. I mean, it does everything the other one did. It's got your chains on the back for the for the bottle. It's got room for the bottle here on the bottom. It's got wheels. Yeah, I don't know what else you're supposed to have, but yeah, I don't. I'll try to get this tape off here. Let's see what. Bear with me here a second. Let me get all this tape off. But yeah, I mean, you know what? I figure for doing the floors, a lot of it'd probably be easier to MIG it. Anything, simple. I mean, I don't see a downside to having a MIG. So I figured it was time to get one. I have to clean the little glue off of that, but I'm going to set you down here for a second. On your wire feed stuff, I'll have to get all that in there. I guess I got to read all the instructions. I really don't know, but yeah. So anyway, new to the shop is a nice new welder. So I figured I'd just make a quick video and kind of show you what we had. And hey, right? Some of you guys did see my comment in the community about the car being lettered. My sign painter came down with a case of not feeling very good at all. So Dave's a great guy. He's actually a drummer in a band, and he was trying to get better to be able to practice on Sunday for a gig next Friday, and he had to blow that off too. So I feel bad for Dave. I told him it was no big rush. It's not like the car's going anywhere. It was just, timing and scheduling and stuff like that would have worked out, because in summertime when everything's done, it'll kind of be bare to get this done. And it's not like I need the car lettered because I got all this work to do, but you know what, it sure give me some incentive to see the car all lettered up. The name will be revealed in that episode. You thought I was going to tell you the name, didn't you? So yep, that's where we're at. So anyway, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.